A big thanks to Agers for sponsoring this video.
Ooh, I have 2 of them. Are you ready for the big reveal? These things are going to be the future of developing more flavor in our meat. They're giving so much to us, at least that's my expectation, that they're going to help us by developing more meat projects and satisfying the need to create better and better meat. It's weird, but I'm already getting excited just about the box and seeing the logo, the Dry Ager. These are all accessories and it's so heavy. Big box accessories. Wow, just look at this. Look at the weight of this thing. Stainless steel, super heavy. This can only mean we can hang a lot of meat on this, Morrison. I could even hang on this. Whoa, we got a height issue. This is not going to work. Is it? Is it going to fit? No. Woo. Ah. Wow. Wow. This is my first dry aging cabinet. The Dry Ager. This is so cool. I've been dreaming of this. Now, I've been wanting this for so long. This is literally what was missing in my life. This was literally what was missing in our barbecue channel. I know you guys need it as much as I do. I know you need it. I know you want to see me do more dry age projects, and we did a lot of them in the umai bags, in the drya bags, and I like them. But my small fridge and putting like a brisket in there was always a little bit problematic. So I thought, if I'm going to go big, I better get going big. And I just selected the best you can find. There are a lot of dry age cabinets out there, but not like this one. This one is absolute perfection. And of course, it's made in Germany. Look at that. All the cows in the back. This is details. That's just beautiful. There's even a little foil in here. Where to begin? Where to begin? Maybe you shouldn't take it off. So Morrison made a good point. He says to me, basically you're already at the point you need to place them, because like if we take this blue off, it's a danger. This is our last line of defense. This is the last bit of protection for me to not scratch it up. And I really don't want to scratch it up. I really don't want to mess it up, really. I don't. And he was right. He said, let's just take the rest out of the box and we'll just take a closer look at it. And once we have everything organized and set, then we know where to put it, how to put it together, and we can start assembling. So, last box that was on the crate. Found the manual. Paperwork. Aha. It's not hard. Now we know what we have, how to assemble it, so we can check out the spot where we're going to put it. Of course, I want to have it inside at the best possible location, so it's nearby, so I can check it whenever I need to, and that's probably going to be every day. So I want to put it right here. This is the Napoleon kitchen. Behind you is the burnout kitchen with the Napoleon setup, everything ready to start grilling. And on this side, there's going to be the Dry Agers. It's a perfect spot, except for we might need to do a little cleanup session. Morrison, you ready to clean it up with me?
Yep, let's go.
All right. One here. I was thinking like maybe a little bit more elaborate storage. So on the other side we got a grill area. And what we're currently doing a lot in wintertime is we're doing a lot of deer, a lot of wild boar. So I thought we kind of needed like a meat shop, like a place where we can work. Maybe have like a saw, butcher saw, and then where we could make sausages and a dry age cabinet. So the dry age cabinets should like either go here on this side or here on that side.
I thought that side.
Yeah, I think so too, but I don't know why.
It feels better.
Feels better, right?
Yeah.
But I don't know why. So we might mix it up later on, but for now this feels good. And then we can have other stuff here and then maybe a table in front where we can work when the butcher comes.
Let's get started.
All right. Marcia, I don't know what you think. It was out of my ordinary job activities. Let's put it that way. I'm like the guy you don't call if you want it done exactly right. Other than that, we managed to do it. And we got these beautiful dry age cabinets. Listen to this. This is the happy moment. I always hate this blue stuff, but now I'm so happy with it. It protected my dry ager perfect. We can unveil it. Show its true beauty to the world. This is going to be a problem because we need towels and cleaning things on standby to polish the stainless steel. Like the guys from Van der Zee Butchery, they already suggested we call them to have them fill up the dry age cabinet.
They're gonna fill it up?
Yes, they offered to fill it up for us.
Really?
Yes.
And they're gonna come here?
And they're gonna come here.
Oh yeah.
And they're gonna fill it up for us. And this is the cool thing, like we bought one and you would expect that all the doors would open in the same direction, but they will consider it enough to think about that we might, if we buy two, we might need the door to open on a different side. How cool is that? That is like, only Germans think about that. That's definitely your footprint, Morrison.
Oh, definitely not.
All right. There's nothing here in this manual that says, except for that we need to clean it, that we can't turn it on. It says here, nowhere, that we can't turn it on. You know what that means? I'm going to turn it on. This is the moment. There we go. You ready, Morrison? It's off. Did you see? Let's turn it on. Ooh. 25.8 degrees Celsius in here. Oh, one more sticker. And 40.5% humidity. Light. You want light? There we go.
Are you happy with it?
Every meat master is now happy. Like, this is the moment. These are the tools that will allow me to make better meat. Something that is already awesome can become even more awesome just by putting them in here. Just think about it. You have this awesome piece of meat. You stick it in here, you wait a while, and it's even more awesome. More tender, more flavorful, just because of these puppies. Now I can start putting all the accessories in, and I'm starting with the salt blocks. These are Himalayan salt blocks. And officially you can't call them Himalayan salt blocks unless they're from the Himalayan, so they're honestly from the Himalayan. And what these do is they're antibacterial and they eat moisture, so they have a dual purpose. And look, they are in these stainless steel trays, so I can put these in the tray, and there we go. It sits perfectly on the bottom. First accessory in. Now we get to the cool stuff, because look at this. A cool bar that you can slide right in to the top position. Slide it in, and then you can hang meat straight on here, like a big hunk of meat, a big loin, a big ribeye, whatever. Half a piglet, maybe, half a lamb. Anything can hang in here, up to 100 kilograms. That's just insane. And I've also got these big racks. Morrison, this is for our cheeses. We can put a lot of cheeses in here. We can put the racks in, but we can also sit like beautiful T-bones on top of these. And I got plenty of them, so we can load this thing fully up. And basically that's it. Of course, I need to still clean the whole thing. I need to like go over everything, make sure that I've got all the settings right, and I got to learn it. You got to figure out how the temperature works. It's just like a barbecue. When you're barbecuing, The temperature in one side of the grill is different than the other side of the grill, because you have like an insert where the air comes in, and those are things you gotta learn, you gotta study. How does it work? We're gonna study hard, clean, get meat, fill this thing up, everything to get the perfect dry aged meat. This is like the Rolls Royce of dry aging meat.
Look.
Job well done.
You heard it?
Yeah.
It's starting to work immediately.
It's like a monster. It starts roaring.
It's like a workhorse.
But before it was quiet.
Yeah.
When it was set perfectly,
Yeah.
and now the engine starts roaring. What do you think of it? Was it the right decision?
It's amazing. It's big.
It's really big.
It's a big investment.
It's a big investment.
It's like, this is not for everybody.
I don't know what you guys think, but let us know.
It's just two of them.
Are we going crazy here, or is this completely normal?
It's not normal. We can experiment for so much longer now. We have so many ideas we can put in. Cheese,
Wagyu
meat.
picanha, hang it up.
Yeah. Dry aged sausages.
Dry aged sausages. Oh, you're a fouet lover.
Yeah.
We gotta make the Spanish
Yeah,
sausages,
yeah,
dry
fouet.
action. Guys, there's so much coming up. We're gonna do so many crazy things. Most of the things though, about dry aging and all the things behind it, the scenes are gonna be on the vlog channel. It's gonna be mainly the same thing. But this is just like, hey man, I got a dry aged picanha. Whoop.
Yeah.
On
We're gonna use them for the videos.
Yes.
But if you want to know more about it,
It's in the vlog.
how do I call it?
Cool.
So if you see this and you want to know more about this, go check out his channel.
That's right.
Check out the vlog and subscribe, man. It's gonna be awesome.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the dry aged cabinets. They're freaking awesome. At least for now they look cool. Now we
Yeah,
gotta call somebody to load them up. It's gonna cost a fortune to load them
We
up.
need some RGB lights. Definitely.
On the sides.
We need some colors. All right.
All right,
See you
guys.
guys.
Thank you for watching. Thank you all for your patrons and YouTube members. Appreciate you guys very much. See you next time. Peace out.